Welcome to a breathtaking journey inside Chateau du Champ-de-Bataille, one of the most luxurious and expensive estates in France. Nestled in Normandy, this architectural masterpiece is not just a home, it's a living piece of history and a symbol of extravagant French heritage. Originally built in the 17th century, this chateau was meticulously restored by the renowned French interior designer Jacques Garcia. Spanning over 90 hectares, the estate boasts lavishly decorated salons, gilded interiors, priceless antiques, and a sprawling French-style garden that rivals even the gardens of Versailles. In this video, we take you on an exclusive tour of the grand architecture and historic significance of the chateau. The breathtaking gardens designed in classic French symmetry, priceless art, furniture, and decor inside this luxurious estate. How Jacques Garcia transformed this chateau into a living museum of opulence. Chateau du Champ-de-Bataille stands as one of the most expensive private residences in France. Its royal elegance, historical importance, and lavish restoration make it a dream property for lovers of art, history, and luxury. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury real estate content. Subscribe for more world luxury house tours around the world.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow